This is my 2020 Panigale V4R. I'm going to show you how to change compression and rebound damping on the bike. First, you're going to need the owner's manual, which states how many clicks of suspension settings that you need. So in the owner's manual, they have race, sport, and street setups. So in race, compression is 12 clicks from fully closed. Rebound is 12 clicks from fully closed. That's for front forks. And for the rear is 8 clicks from fully closed and 13 clicks from fully closed. So each race and sport and street settings are totally different. And I'm going to show you how to set this. On a V4R, you're going to need 3mm hex key to change the settings. First, I'm going to change the compression settings, which is the rate the shock absorber goes up when it hits the bump. So I'm going to reset it to neutral, which is the 0. So clockwise all the way until you can feel that there is no more clicks and very tight. Do not over tighten it when you feel the force. So right now, it's over there. So from that position, I'm gonna go back 1 click, which is gonna be 0. And then I'm gonna set 12 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is the compression settings for the race. So this side is the rebound, which is the rate the shock absorber pushes it back down. So I'm going to 0 it by rotating it clockwise. Until I can feel like there's no more clicks. So I'm going to do counterclockwise to 0 position by turning it until I hear 1 click. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There you go. That's gonna be a stiff race settings for the front fork. The bike's gonna feel very stable, planted. It's gonna make you want to speed. So here we are at the rear end. The compression setting is on top and the rebound is on the bottom. The same procedure. Reset to fully close, and from there go back 1 turn. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and for the rebound, reset to fully close. In the owner's manual, it's state 13. So from fully closed, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there it is. I've changed my suspension settings to race settings. If this setting is a little too stiff, you can go back down to sport setup, which is gonna make bumps more compliant on the road and rides a lot smoother. But the bike will just not feel as stiff and stable. Makes you wanna go a little bit slower. That's about it. It's very easy.